Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today I'll show you how to add Adobe fonts to Canva. Now, two things before we begin. You will need to have Canva Pro and also the Adobe Creative Cloud. So there is no actually direct way to do that, but I will show you a method that will work with you, and you'll be so glad and so happy with this method. Okay, now here as you can see, I have the Canva Pro, and we are going to have the Canva Pro because we are going to upload some of these fonts in our uploads in Canva Pro. So now here I have the Canva Pro and I have the Adobe fonts. You should now go and click on any one of the fonts that you actually need. Let's say this font, for example, Clother. And I'm going to click on Add Family, for example. And of course, you should be signing in using your Adobe Creative Cloud account. Down below in the description, I will leave you the path of saving the Adobe fonts on your PC if you have a Windows, or on your Mac if you have a MacBook and you want to have the pathway or the location of the fonts of Adobe. So now here I'm opening the Adobe Creative Cloud in order to locate the fonts. And now I'm going to click on fonts, Adobe fonts on the right side, as you can see. And here I have the Adobe fonts. You just have to click on these options right here. You can even browse more fonts and click on browse more fonts and get more and more. You can go to installed fonts, see exactly where they have the fonts. You can even upload the fonts from here. Once you are finished, click on done. Now let me open the file explorer, then put here the pathway. It has the fonts. If you cannot find it, you just have to open the run, then type here percentage app data percentage, then go to Adobe, then go to roaming, then go to Adobe, then go to core sync, then go to plugins, then go to live type, then go to R, and here you should find the fonts as texts, as you can see. Now go and open Canva and go to any one of your designs. Let's say this one, for example. I'm going to click on the fonts, it's just right here. And after you click on fonts, here you have on the bottom an option saying upload a font. Just click on it. And of course, you will have to use the Canva Pro. And after that, here you can see you can upload the font and you're all done. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.